Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. We're on process video 208 entitled Home. So this is my second layout featuring the November 2019 Flavors of the Month kit, and it specifically features papers from the Cartabella Home Again collection. I really like the papers here, especially the wood grain, and so that's basically what I'm going to kind of end up with as my background. But before I end up with the design in the background, initially I had in my mind that I was going to put all of the photos on the left side and then kind of do a horizontal layering of the papers on the right side. So that's what I'm going to start off with. However, if you're a scrapbooker, you know that sometimes we have an idea, and then when we try to execute it, it's just not quite the right thing. So here I am still trying to see if I can do my design the way I had initially wanted. And then this is where I'm kind of veering off and figuring, well, maybe I should do a central design with my photos. Because I think the biggest hurdle that I have here was because I had 6 photos. So as much as I love the papers, I wanted to use those 6 pictures, and so how do I do that with still featuring the papers? And so I'm kind of playing around with the die cuts first with the photos, and I decided that maybe I'll just do all the photos kind of not circle, but kind of in that circle somewhat circle design where there's that open space in the center, and I'm going to put that die cut there, and that will be part of my title. Now this one's okay, and I think when I first filmed it, I was thinking that I will just layer them on the back, kind of still do a vertical but have like still do a horizontal design but make that span all the way through the whole background. So that's kind of what I'm doing right here, just moving things around. And I didn't want to take out this process because I wanted you to see that my design doesn't come easily to me sometimes. It takes a lot of, or a big amount of moving things around and just seeing what works best. So finally, when I turned off the film or the video, I decided to do photo corners with the 2 of the papers and make that wood grain be as my background. And I like that better because it features the papers, but then the focus is still on the photos. And I did add some more blocks of paper to the top right and the bottom left, so it will kind of complete that whole round wreath type of look that I was going for. And I will add my journaling on that bottom right page or part. And then I already have added foam adhesive to this die cut, and that will go in the center. And so this page, really, after I have decided or was happy with the design of the background, it went really fast. So I hope that you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and considering subscribing. And if you have any questions, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below. If you are interested in the Flavors of the Month kit or the ScrapRoom Kit Club, make sure that you check out the description below as well, because it will have a direct link to their website. And yeah, I will add, for my final touches here, I will add some enamel dots. Those black enamel dots that came with the mini kit is what I will add for my final finishing touch. And that is it. I will catch you guys another day. Bye.